Meaning of gabby.
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 Gabby. The word gabby refers to someone who talks a lot, often in a chatty or gossipy way. It is typically used to describe a person who has a tendency to be talkative and share their thoughts or opinions without much restraint. This can sometimes be seen as a negative trait, especially if the person is speaking excessively or inappropriately. However, being gabby can also indicate a natural enthusiasm for conversation and a willingness to engage with others in social situations. Overall, gabby is a word that describes someone who loves to chat and express themselves verbally.